अस्सलाम वालेकुम guys, you are watching InstallSoft। इस वीडियो में विंडोज़ 10 को मीडिया टूल के थ्रू डायरेक्ट अपनी फ्लैश ड्राइव में बूट करेंगे। First of all, at least 8 GB flash drive required for boot the Windows 10। So insert flash drive, open this PC, format the flash drive, click on format, click restore device defaults, click on start, click OK। Then open Google Chrome। Guys, before download or install Windows 10, check system requirement of Windows 10 first। Open this tab, scroll down, system requirement for Windows 10। These are all the requirement of Windows 10. If you explore more, scroll down. Close it. Enter Windows 10। गाइस, ये माइक्रोसॉफ्ट की ऑफिशियल साइट है। ओपन दिस लिंक, स्क्रॉल डाउन, डाउनलोड मीडिया टूल फॉर विंडोज 10। क्लिक ऑन डाउनलोड नाउ, क्लिक शो ऑल। Media creation tool for Windows 10। Click show in folder, open media creation tool, getting few things ready for Windows 10। Loading the Windows 10 setup। Simply click accept, getting few things ready। These are two options. First, for upgrade your PC, and second, create a bootable flash drive of Windows 10। Click next. These are default recommended options. If you change it, click for change language, Windows 10। To select these architecture to boot your flash drive. If select both the architecture boot on your flash drive. Simply click on 64-bit, then next. These are two options. First is boot your flash drive, and second is download the Windows 10 ISO file। So click on USB flash drive for bootable purpose. Click on next. My flash drive is detected for boot purpose. Click on next. So guys, Windows 10 starts downloading and then boot into flash. Bootable flash is ready. Click on finish. Open this PC. The bootable flash is ready for installing Windows. If you like this video, please consider subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.